Okay, so I had to rebuild the starter from two different starters because they sent me the wrong one. I didn't want to wait anymore, so I just kind of took them apart and made the pieces work. The rotor in this one is a little too small, so we might have to replace the starter, and I had to file down the outer housing to fit some things, so probably have to replace it. I don't know how long it'll last, but it works for now. I've got the fuel shut off, so it might take a minute to start, but I replaced the fuel pump, the carburetor, all the fuel lines, cleaned everything up. Still have to change the oil and change the spark plug. They sent me the wrong spark plug. New air filter. I'm gonna get it jacked up, get the wheels off, figure out what wheels I need to order, and get in on that. And I think there's a little bit of drivetrain work, probably some belts that need to be replaced. But that should be it. Let's see if it starts. Remember, I just shut the fuel off, so it might take a second. Let's see how it does.